Alright, what is going on, guys? I'm going to be doing a tutorial, and this is also probably a double upload because I uploaded a couple hours ago, and I feel like uploading now because I haven't uploaded in a while, so I'm going to do a tutorial. Now, the tutorial I'm going to be doing today is something called the Behind the 8 Ball. Here's what it looks like. That's the trick. Here's a little slower. So yeah, there you go. Now, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over a couple things. You have two handles on a knife. You have a bite handle and a safe handle. This is a trainer, so this will not hurt me. This is a Kraken V2 trainer, which I will be doing a review and everything on that soon, so don't worry. So what you're going to do is you're going to be grabbing the safe handle, gripping the safe handle, and now what you're going to do is you're going, holding the safe handle, you're going to flip it out like this, to where when you flip it out, the safe handle comes in contact with this part of your hand. So, that being said, what you're going to do is you're going to take your index finger and put it right here. Right here. So when you fling it back, the safe handle will do a circular motion around your pointer finger. Now don't worry, we're not going to be doing that, so we're just going to be doing that once. So that's exactly what we're going to do next. We're going to be kind of moving our hand in a semicircle way, going like that. So starting here, going out and then in, ending here. Now what that's going to do is the bite handle is going to carry some momentum and going around our hand like this. So here's what that's going to look like. That right there. Now, I will say, when I was learning this trick, and I learned that movement right there, I was the happiest person ever. Because it may not look hard, but man, getting that movement down makes you feel awesome. So, what we're going to do is we're going to practice that right there. I want to throw out the safe handle, or throw out the bite handle, and drop the knife. That's always an option. We're going to throw out the bite handle, holding the safe handle. We're going to do a semicircle motion to get the bite handle to carry momentum so the knife flies around our fingers, just like this. And you're going to catch it in a grip like this, like you're going, boy, you're going to kind of catch it in a grip like this. So what you're going to do is when you go like this, when the safe handle comes around, you're going to catch it just like this. Like I said, like you're going, boy. So you want to get that motion down, just like that. You want to get this, I want this to be dead clear. You want to get this motion as fluent as possible. Because this trick does not look good sloppy. I can tell you that much. When you loop this entire trick together, it looks very, very good. So, you want to get a fluent motion of throwing the handle out, inserting your pointer finger, then doing a semicircle motion like this to catch it in the boy motion. So what you're going to do is you're just going to practice that right there. Once you get this fluent, just as fluent as me, just as good as me. As you see, I can just flip the handle out and get it around my finger, no problem. Now what we're going to do is that right there, which you're like, what? You're probably like, what on earth did he just do? Now, here's what the second part of the trick looks like. You got this down. Now you're going to go like that. Then finish the trick, which looks like that, by the way. So, you got this motion down. Now you got to do a thumb chap like that. Now this might be a little harder because you have to get the fluent motion of getting the pointer finger chaplain and the thumb chaplain all at once. So, doing that looks like that, which looks very cool because your hand goes from on the top of the knife to the bottom of the knife like this. So when you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to jerk your hand kind of like that, starting here and then flicking your wrist up like that. And then you're using that momentum, it's going to go around your thumb. So what you're going to do is you're going to let it go around your thumb. You're going to remove your index finger and you're going to let it just go around your thumb, just like that. So You got that down, and you're working on this. You're working on that thumb chap. Now you can start slow, obviously. You don't have to, just bang out the trick like that. You can work slow, just like this. So you got this motion down, and you're working on that. Just keep doing that right there. Got it out, just like this, and going out like that. Don't worry about trying to link them together. Just work on getting them in the same sequence. You got that down, and you got to get that down. So, a little closer, you're going to let go and let it go around your thumb, just like that. Just like that. Now, how you're going to catch this is like that. And this grip right here. Now, this probably looks like I'm gripping the weirdest butterfly knife ever. And it's kind of because I am. So, when you catch this, you're just going to kind of let your hand catch it naturally how you would catch it. Because all the tutorials I see of this trick, everyone's making sure you catch it like this. You don't really have to catch it like that to make the trick work, by no means. Just when you get it, you want to make sure that you can do another open chaplain on your thumb. So say, okay, you got it like this, and you got it like this. Cool. Now we're going to go from this motion right here into a open thumb chaplain like this. And you're going to grab the safe handle or the bite handle and do a wrist pass. There's the trick right there. I'm going to go over the last part a little bit more. So you get to this part right here. What you're going to do is you're going to release all your fingers to where you just have your thumb right here. Then you're going to let the bite handle carry its momentum and go around your hand to where you catch the bite handle and you do a wrist pass. Just like that. So, got that down, got that down, got that down. There is the behind the 8 ball. And a fixed ladder. But there you go. There's your behind the 8 ball. So, let's go over it just one more time. Flip the bite handle out. Do a semicircle motion to get it around your finger. Do another jerk kind of semicircle motion to get it around your thumb. Then do another jerk semicircle motion to get it around your thumb again. Then wrist pass. Now, part where you're probably stuck at is this last rotation right there. That part right there. So everything is called closed chaplains right now, where you see chaplains like this. Everything's a closed chaplain, but this last one is an open chap. So getting through that right there, what you're going to do is, you probably caught it like this, and the handles are facing out. You kind of want to roll it towards you just a little bit to where to the outside of the handle is facing your thumb, and then do another semicircle jerk motion just like that. So, I mean, there you go. That's the trick right there. So, let's go over it one more time to make sure you got it. Boom. Round with the pointer finger, round your thumb. Rotate, round your thumb again. Wrist pass. Here it is, all in one motion and how it should look. Well, I messed that up. But, I don't care. I'm going to keep trying. Don't give up on this trick, because, yeah, this trick is hard. But you need to get it pat, because this trick is, as you see, I just did half of a one right there. But this trick is a key trick for learning combos and sequence tricks and stuff like that. So, there it is. Sloppy, but I did it. Boom. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. I will see you guys later. I will try to post this tonight, or if I can, I'll schedule it for tomorrow. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Oh, and by the way, this is a trainer, and I will leave the link to it in the description. See ya.